Hi, it's Wendy again with another tutorial on something that people have been asking about, which is how do I add a thumbnail over the top of a video? So if that's something you've been wanting to do, I've got a solution for you. I really like the app Typorama. It's one of my favorites. You can get it free in your app store, or if you'd like, you can pay $4.99 and it'll remove their watermark, which I recommend. Mine has removed. As you can see, you can use it with colors. I can use some of their stock images to put text over words. I could also choose one of my photos, but today I want to show you colors because I think it stands out. Text over a nice bold color is going to be a little bit more visible than over a photo. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to find orange because West is definitely orange. And I'm going to choose the size that's going to be proper for a landscape video. So for today, we're going to use the YouTube thumbnail. And I'm going to click on next. And now it gives me the option to double tap and put my text in here. So whatever it is that you want to say that you want someone to, the reason you want someone to jump into your video, this is where you're going to want to say it. For me, I'm just going to make this up, but I'm just going to say that this is a 47-second, and thankfully it auto checks. And I'm going to actually hit return after every few words just because I want to stack this rather than having a long sentence. It's going to be a little bit more interesting with the typography layout. So 47-second video, thumbnail, tutorial. All right, good thing it has spell check. Click on done. Next, as you can see, it's already given a nice little layout. If I click on where it says the Northern People, which is the font type, it will continue to give me different styles. So as you can see, I can go to a different style, little handwritten style. Once I find the one that I like, I'll stick with it for a bit. Let's see, ooh, because I want to do this fast, I'm going to click on this fast runner. So as you can see, it'll give me a few different layouts. When I like the one that's there, I can say, okay, share. I can click on that box and then just move it around just by moving it back and forth with my finger. I could also make it larger, pinch or squeeze, but I'm going to go ahead and go with this and say, okay, share. Save to my camera roll. Once it's saved to your camera roll, the next step is to just go to the place that you have your video. So if it's on YouTube and that's where you want to add your thumbnail, or if you're maybe creating it on iMovie, you can put that in the front. If you're using QuickPage, which is the new app that I've been sharing at my reviews execute, this would be a great place to put that. So I hope this answered your question. It's Typorama, find in the App Store, and I would love to hear what other questions you have so I can answer them. Have a great day. If you have any other questions that I can answer, I would love to do that. And here's to moving your business forward faster. If you have any other questions that I could answer, please let me know. And here's to moving your business further. If you have any other questions, please reach out because I would love to help you move your business forward faster together. Have a great one.